Okay, YouTube, Miss Prepper Bee here. Here's part 2 of the strawberries. Now they're to a roaring boil. That means I can't get down the boil. Once it starts boiling, I can't spoon it down. When it gets to this point, you want to take your Certo and pour it all in. Once you get all the Certo in it, you want to continually stir it for 1 minute. And you want to continually stir it, bringing it back to a boil again. And I've already got my jars in the oven at 225 degrees. And my lids are in hot water. And while this is cooking the last few seconds, this is the foam that I got off of it. You can see how foamy it is. Oh, I'm sorry, the steam is coming off of it. I raked some of the foam off, and I'll just put that in the refrigerator. They can put it in milk or on top of ice cream or something. Almost there. Okay, once that comes to a boil, you move it off of the heat. And I let it set for just a few minutes, kind of stirring it a little bit, just to let the foam finish coming up, because you can see the jelly underneath there. Just to let this foam come up to the edge. And you can take a metal spoon and you can rake some of it off. In the Certo, it tells you that you can put a tablespoon of butter in to keep that from happening. I don't like to do that. I don't trust any kind of dairy product that I haven't pressured. I don't care how little or how much. Then all I do is I get my jar, ooh, that's a little warm. Let's get it just a little bit closer. Sorry about that. I've got sugar and strawberries everywhere. And I've pretty much fill them up. But what I do is I kind of set them back a little bit. And I let them settle, and then I rake the foam off the top. Sorry about that. Gotta get another jar here. And I'm doing these in half pints. And I just set it back. Yeah, look, I'm making a mess. Oh well, I guess that's what there's water and rags for. Fill it. This one. Okay, let me show you real quick while this one's setting. It's a little warm. What I do at this point, since it's set a few minutes, then I go ahead and rake some more of the foam off. To me, it seems to be easier to do it in the jar. It doesn't seem like I get as many strawberries out. Now let this one set again. I'm going to get Get some foam out of this one. And then when I get down towards the bottom of this, you can see how much syrup there is in the bottom. I will go back and top these off with the actual syrup without as much foam. This is what they look like. This is the ones I just got done a little while ago. They're still kind of warm. And this recipe made 8 pints. I doubled the recipe that's in the sourdough thing. So you can tell that these are starting to separate from the jar. So it's starting to look like jelly. And so I guess I'll finish this and you all have a good day. Thanks.